1 into d, right? And here left hand side is same, 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. 2 gone. Okay. But what is this? A plus m minus 1 into d. That is tn, right? Because nth term or mth term is given by what? A plus m minus 1 into d. Therefore, this is tm and this is tn. Therefore, it becomes tm upon tn equals to this 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. That is the required answer. Okay. Next, if x not equal to y and the sequences x a1 a2 y and x b1 b2 y are in AP, then a2 minus a1 upon b2 minus b1 is, means we have to find basically a2 minus a1 upon b2 minus b1. Now what is given? X is not equal to y. Okay. And these numbers x and y, in between there are again two numbers in one sequence, a1 and a2, and b1 and b2 in other sequence, and both the sequences are in AP. Okay. Remember, a1 minus x is a common difference, but that is not equal to b1 minus x. These two are totally different sequences. Only the point is the CD which is common in first is common throughout, and in common in second is common throughout in second, right? The common differences do not match between these two series. Okay, remember this very clearly. So AP1 equals to x a1 a2 y, AP2 x b1 b2 y. Okay, common difference 1 for 1 is a2 minus a1, that is d1. Common difference 2 equals to b2 minus b1, that is d2, right? All are in AP. Okay. Now Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is a common thing we know. So T4 equals to, T4 means A plus, what is A? X over here. X plus 3 into d, right? Okay. But T4 is we know y. Therefore y equals to x plus 3 into d. Okay. Therefore d equals to what? Y minus x upon 3, right? Okay. Therefore a1 equals to x plus. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.